Hey, hey, it's Gina from WTI. Do you love to karaoke as much as me and my husband do? Well, we have been loving using this JYX karaoke machine.
Have you ever heard the wolf cry?
Not only can you use it for karaoke, but I love to use it with its Bluetooth connection for listening to music and podcasts. The best thing about it is how convenient the size is. And we've had other karaoke machines in the past that were not wireless and they were bulky and they took up a lot of room and were difficult to set up. This is so easy to move around. It has a nice handle on the top. It's super sturdy. My husband and I really enjoy singing duets. So I love that it comes with 2 microphones that you can use at the same time. You can even adjust the volume of one mic over the other. It has a permanent echo on, and that can really help to enhance when you're a little off key or maybe struggling with the tune.
Darling, without you.
If you're looking for something fun to use at your next party or just to enjoy the evening with family and friends at home, I recommend this karaoke machine, and that's my point of view.